Let us start with biological classification. First is kingdom system classification. Aristotle classification. Aristotle used simple morphological characters and presence of RBC and non-presence of RBC to divide the living organisms. Living organisms are divided into plants and animals, where plants are divided into shrubs and trees, and animals into anemia. Anemia means without RBC, anemia with RBC. Then two kingdom system classification was given by Linnaeus. He divided organisms into plant and animalia. Features used in plant and animalia. Here cell wall present, absent. Then locomotion absent, present. Mode of nutrition do not eat. Then response to stimuli slow, fast. Contractile system absent, present. Then organisms he divided into plantae, bacteria, algae, fungi, bryophytes, pseudophytes, gymnosperm and angiosperms. Whereas in animalia he placed protozoa, vertebrates and invertebrates. Linnaeus did not consider unicellularity, multicellularity, eukaryotic, prokaryotic, photosynthetic and non-photosynthetic organisms. Now, three kingdom system of classification was given by Haeckel. He placed all unicellular organisms into Protista, which includes fungi, protozoa, algae, bacteria and fly moths. Then four kingdom classification given by Copeland. He placed all prokaryotic organisms in Eubacteria and Archaebacteria into kingdom Monera. Then five kingdom classification, which is successful classification given by R.H. Whittaker. It divided organisms into kingdom Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae and animalia on basis of cell structure, thallus organization, mode of nutrition, reproduction and phylogenetic relationship or evolutionary relationship. Then sixth kingdom classification was given by Carlus. He has given six kingdom, namely Archaebacteria, Eubacteria, Protista, fungi, plantae and animalia. He said domains of bacteria, archaea and eukarya are originated from common ancestor known as progenote. Now let us discuss about kingdom Monera. General characteristics of Monera. It may be unicellular, condylar or filamentous prokaryotic organisms without nuclear membrane, nucleolus, chromatin and histone proteins. It has naked DNA, RNA and non-histone proteins. DNA is circular and double-stranded. Cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan, which is amino acids as well as sugar. Then except in archaebacteria and mycoplasma, membrane-bounded organelles are absent and 70th type of ribosomes are present. And respiratory enzymes are along the plasma membrane, mostly shows asexual reproduction by binary fission, then shows both autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition. Bacteria are sole members of kingdom Monera. Bacteria with respect to shapes, it is of four types. First is cocci, spherical, bacillus rod shape, spirula spiral shape, vibrio comma shape. Bacteria life processes. First is bacterial nutrition. It is of three types: photosynthetic autotrophic bacteria, in that photolithoautotrophic bacteria, photoorganoautotrophic bacteria. Then next chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria. Then next heterotrophic bacteria, in that saprophytic, symbiotic and parasitic. First let us discuss about photosynthetic autotrophic bacteria. First is photolithotropic bacteria, which produce food with the help of pigments like bacteriochlorophyll, bacteriopurpurine and bacterioviridin. Bacteria do not release oxygen, that is anoxygenic in nature. Instead of water, hydrogen sulfide is used, or thiosulfide and other organic compounds act as electron donor, so it does not release oxygen. CO2 plus H2S in the presence of solar energy and enzyme gives rise to sugar plus sulfur plus H2O. No water is evolved as there is no water splitting. Then purple sulfur bacteria, example Theospirillum. Then green sulfur bacteria, example Chlorobium. Now photoorganobacteria, using organic matter as their electron donor or carbon source, example purple non-sulfur bacteria Rhodospirillum, Rhodopseudomonas. Then green non-sulfur bacteria Chloronema, etc. Now chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria. It gains energy by oxidizing inorganic nutrients like ammonia, nitrates, nitrites, ferrous ions, etc. They do not use light as energy source. The energy is trapped in ATP and used in formation of some sources like sulfur, but other than water, example hydrogen bacteria, nitrifying bacteria, sulfur bacteria, etc. They play a key role in recycling nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, iron, sulfur, etc. Here you can see example Nitrosomonas, Nitrococcus, Nitrobacter, Nitrocystis are N2 bacteria. Ferrobacillus leptotherix are Fe bacteria. Then Hydrogenomonas are hydrogen bacteria. Begiotia and Theobacillus theodians is sulfur bacteria. Then heterotrophic bacteria, they obtain nutrition from dead and decay matter, is known as saprophytic nutrition. Then symbiotic bacteria, mostly seen by gram-negative type of bacteria. Rhizobium shows symbiotic endospores with legumes, and Azotobacter benzica, Kelbicella and are free living anaerobic nitrogen fixing bacteria, and Clostridium is an anaerobic N2 fixing bacteria. Then parasitic bacteria, it depends upon the host to its nutrition and care. and host may cause disease due to its dependence. Disease causing bacteria are known as pathogenic bacteria. Now let us discuss about respiration. First is obligate aerobes or strict aerobes, live strictly in presence of oxygen. Example, Bacillus subtilis. Then facultative anaerobes or facultative leisure aerobes, anaerobes. They can be present. They live in both conditions, whether oxygen is present or not. Example, Pseudomonas. Then facultative aerobes or leisure aerobes, both presence of and absence of O2, chlorobium. Then obligate anaerobes or strict anaerobes, they live strictly in absence of O2. Example, Clostridium botulinum. Then reproduction is of three types. Sexual reproduction is not seen, and true sexual reproduction is absent. Then sexual recombination, transformation, conjugation and transduction. And asexual reproduction mostly occurs by binary fission, and for perination it uses endosperm formation. Asexual reproduction, binary fission. Here you can see the pictures. By this we can say binary fission occurs. Now endosperm formation. Cytoplasm contains DNA, RNA and proteins, lipids, calcium, magnesium. Central core is surrounded by a delicate membrane called core wall. The next layer is cortex, which contains peptidoglycan and calcium dipyclonolic acid, which is CADPA. CADPA is anticoagulant, has resistance to heat, can be even bear hotter than 100 degrees Celsius. The whole endosperm is covered with hexosporium. They escape pasteurization as they can bear temperature which is greater than 100 degrees and lower than minus 100 degrees. They are means of perination but not reproduction. Here you can see the structure of endosperm. Then sexual recombination. First is transduction given by gift. Work on effect of Diplococcus or Streptococcus pneumonia on mice. Ability to pick up DNA from the solution is known as competency. Then conjugation given by Ladberg and Tatten. Bacteria showing conjugation are dimorphic, that is they have two types of cell, male F plus and female F minus or recipient. Here you can see the process of transduction by picture. Then transduction given by Ginder and Lindbergh. During transduction, a small double-stranded piece of DNA is transferred from donor to receptor by bacteriophage. First, it was seen in Salmonella typhia. Then economic importance of Kingdom Monera. Free living N2 like Azotobacter, Clostridium, Kelvicella, Benjernica. Then symbiotic N2 Rhizobium, Frankia, Xanthomonas. Ammonifying bacteria like Bacillus vulgaris, Bacillus ramosus. Then vinegar production, Acidobacter aceti. Curd, cheese, yogurt production, Lactobacillus, Streptococcus lactei. Then petroleum pollution control is Pseudomonas putida. Then antibiotics like Bacillus ligniformis or Bacillus subtilis. Then reddening of fibers is seen done by Clostridium perfringens and Pseudomonas fluorescens. Then curling of leaves. In tea we use Micrococcus, and in tobacco Bacillus megatherium. Harmful activities of bacteria. Vibrio cholera causes cholera, Salmonella typhi, typhoid, Clostridium tetani, tetanus, Xanthomonas citrus cancer. Other Monerians in detail. First is Archaebacteria. These are bacteria adapted to live in harsh areas. Cell wall of Archaebacteria is made up of NAT, that N-acetyl thalomuramic acid. First is Methanogens, found in marshy areas, capable of converting CO2, methanol and formic acid into methane. These are methanogens in guts of ruminants, which are responsible for biogas from the dung. These are chemoautotropic and obligate aerobes. For example, Methanococcus, Methanobacterium, etc. Then halophytes, found in extremely salty areas and have pigment called bacteriorhodophyte, but they cannot use sunlight to produce ATP, so they are heterotrophs. Example, Halobacterium and Halococcus. Thermoacidophils, capable of tolerating high temperature as well as high acidity. High temperature may be as high as 80 degrees Celsius and pH is as low as 2. They are chemosynthetic in nature, facultative anaerobes. Example, Thermoplasma and Thermoproteus. Now next is Eubacteria, is also known as true bacteria. First let us discuss about Cyanobacteria, which is also known as blue-green algae, which is gram-negative. The most primitive to have oxygenic photosynthesis. They have chlorophyll as green plants, mainly seen in fresh water and some may be marine. They are symbiotic with every group of eukaryote, for example Anavinus uzuale, Anavinus cycadae, etc. Then Cyanobacteria changes color according to the light wavelength. Similar to mesosomes, there are lamellozoles grow to help DNA replication. Then sexual reproduction is absent. Types of asexual reproduction are fission, fragmentation, heterocystis, hormogonia, echinus. Here you can see heterocystis, which is a site of end to fixation anaerobically. Here 4 layers of cell wall are present plus mucilaginous sheet is covered. Importance of cyanobacteria. Polypotrix and Allosera fix into non-symbiotically in rice flows. Non-stack Anabaena used for reclaiming the soil ulcer. Then spirulina is edible and high source of protein. Limbia is used to produce antibiotics. Microcystis Anabaena flows aquae. Then Aphanosomilla flows aquae form algal blooms in water which are highly toxic. Now let us discuss about mycoplasma, which was given by Encod and Enrox. They lack cell wall and presence of cell membrane. They are plurinomeliac organisms, PPL, or jokers of plant kingdom, called bacteria with coats of heterotrophic. Most of them are parasitic in nature. Mycoplasma galliseptium has size about 0.3 to 0.5 micrometer, which is smallest prokaryote. They survive without oxygen, show fried egg appearance in the lab, and are non-motile. Mycoplasma consists both RNA, which is single stranded, and DNA, which is double stranded. Mycoplasma are sensitive to streptomycin, erythromycin, chlorophenicol, but mycoplasma are insensible to penicillin. Their reproduction is done by elementary bodies. Now let us move on to kingdom Protista. Term Protista was coined by N.S. Haeckel. All unicellular eukaryotes are under Protista. Protistarians are ancestors of multicellular eukaryotes. They have 88 type of ribosomes and may have cellulosic cell wall. Flagella and cilia have 9+2 arrangement consisting tubulin proteins. Nutrition may be photosynthetic, holozoic, saprophytic, or parasitic. Organisms like Euglena have mixotropic nutrition, that is photosynthetic plus saprophytic. Both sexual and asexual reproduction are present. Protists are of 3 types: autotrophic, consumer decomposer, and protozoans. First, let us discuss about photosynthetic protists. First is diatoms. They are golden brown and called chrysophytes, including diatoms and desmites. And basically, they are unicellular but may form pseudofilaments and cornets, lacking flagella except in the reproductive stage. They are free floating. Most of them are phytoplanktons. They have silicaceous covering called fructostule, which is hard. When dead, it called as diatomaceous earth or kelbicelaster or diamatite. These hard shells are used in brewing industries, sugarcane refiners, and polishing of metals. Cells of these diametals are made up of 2 halves, epitheca or hypertheca, resembling a soap box. You can see here. Mode of nutrition is holophytic, that consists of photosynthetic pigments like chlorophyll A, C, beta carotene, fucoxanthin, xanthophyll like diazoxanthin, dianoxanthin, etc. Reserve food materials is oil and polysaccharides called leucocin, bolotin, garrulus are also present. Mainly undergo asexual reproduction by binary fission. Resting spores are called statospores. Then sexual reproduction varies from isogamy to oogamy. Zygote is called axospore. Good indicators of water pollution, for example, Triceratum, Melosira, Navicula, and Cymbilla. Now let us discuss about Dinoflagella. The golden brown photosynthetic protists belong to the class Dinophaceae. They are mainly marine. They are unicellular, motile, bicephalic related, enclosed by rigid coat or theca or lorica, made up of cellulose and pectin. Hence it is called armored dinoflagellates. Flagella heterocon, that is different. One is longitudinal, other is transverse. They are called as whirling whips. Then photosynthetic pigments are chlorophyll A, C, beta carotenoids, alpha carotenoid, and xanthophyll. Reserve food material is oil and carbohydrate. Asexual reproduction by cell division. Sexual reproduction by isogamy and anosogamy. Example, Cetaceum involves zygotic meiosis, like Navicula shows gametic meiosis. Navicula, Pyroidium, Pyrocystis, and are bioluminescent. Guaniolax produce a toxin called saxitoxin, which is poisonous to vertebrates, causes paralytic shellfish poisoning in humans, which is fatal. Red tide of sea is caused by excessive growth of Guaniolax and Gymnodium. Here you can see euglenoid. Euglena shows Mixotropic nutrition, that is photosynthesis plus saprophytic. Pigments in euglena are chlorophyll A, B, xanthophyll and beta carotenoid. As reserve food material is paramylon, that is chemically beta 1,3 glucan. They mainly shows asexual reproduction by binary fission during unfavorable condition. Pamela stage and cyst are formed for perperination. True sexual reproduction is absent. Example euglena and paranema. Then plant-like characters of euglena, like presence of chloroplasts with photosynthetic pigments and holophytic nutrition. Then animal-like characters of euglena, like absence of cell wall, presence of pellicle, then presence of sigma and paraflagellate body, presence of contractile vacuole, presence of longitudinal binary fission. Now let us discuss about consumer decomposed process or slime molds. Free living have naked protoplasm, no cell wall, have saprophytic or phagocytic nutrition. Plasmodium is formed during unfavorable condition and spread several feet. During unfavorable condition, they form fruiting bodies which bear spores at the tip. Spore have cell wall which resembles animal-like features. Reproductive resembles with plants. Amoeboid plasmodic stage resembles protozoa, while spore formation is like fungi, and reproduction is by both asexual and sexual methods. Example: Physarum, Physarella, Fuligo, Dictyostellum, Polyphysodilium, etc. Fungi-like features, formation of fruiting bodies. Plant-like features, cell wall around spore. Animal-like features, plasmodium is without cell. Here you can see the structure of slime mold. Now let us move on to protozoans. They are unicellular heterotrophic nutrition. And amoeboid protozoans, they live in freshwater, seawater or moist soil, free living, and few and parasitic. Then have Pseudopodia, false feet, may have silical shells in some forms. Example: amoeba, entamoeba. Entamoeba causes dysentery. Then flagellated protozoans, free living or parasitic, have flagella. They have rare sexual reproduction with diverse type of association, commensal, symbiotic, parasitic, etc. Then example: trypanosoma, sleeping sickness. Then ciliated protozoan live in freshwater marine, few are parasitic, have cilia. They possess definite region of ingestion and adgestion. Example: paramecium. Then sporozoans, all are endoparasites, absent of locomotor structures. Infectious post-like stage is present in the life cycle. Example: plasmodium, which causes malaria. Now let us move on to the kingdom fungi. General characteristic of fungi: Achlorophyllous, eukaryotic, heterotrophic, spore-producing thalloid organisms, mostly terrestrial, grow in warm and humid areas. Body is haploid and thalloid. They have multicellular, except eastern synastrium. Fungal body is made up of network of hyphae, thread-like, called as mycelium. Cell wall of mycelium is made up of chitin or fungal cellulose, where Phytophthora, Pythium and Oomycetes, the cell wall is made up of cellulose. Reserved food material is oil and glycogen. Cells have unicisternal Golgi bodies. In reproduction, if entire body is transferred into reproductive units, then it is known as holocarpic. But if only one part is transferred, then it is known as eukarpic. Then hyphae of two types: septate, multinucleated. This condition is known as sinusitic, or it may be septate multinucleated. It is of two types again. Simple central pore. Example: it is seen in Ascomycetes. In septate mycelium may be monokaryotic or dikaryotic. Whereas second type is xipore septum, which is seen in Basidium mycetes, except rust and smut fungi. Then reproduction in fungi. First is vegetative reproduction. It is common due to done by fragmentation, fission and budding. Asexual reproduction done by mitospores, spore formed with the help of mitosis. First is zoospore. Zoospore is it may be uniflagellate or biflagellate. They have naked uninucleated structures formed in zoosporangia. Here uniflagellate, example Synertium, whereas in biflagellated, example Sporolegnia and Pythium. It is of two types: pear-shaped or pyriform. They have two flagella at anterior and primary zoospore known as primary zoospore, and here kidney shape or bean shape. They have two lateral inserted flagella. It is known as secondary zoospore. First is second is sporangiospore. This is thin wall non-motile produced endogenously in a sporangia, which after release give rise to new mycelium. Example: rhizospores and mucor. Then conidiospore, thin wall non-motile produced exogenously at the tip of conidiophore. Example: Aspergillus pensilium. Chlamydospore produce thick wall resistant pores. These are structures of pollination during unfavorable condition. Example, rhizobus. Then oidea. These are non-motile thin-walled spores only developed during sugar-rich conditions. Their budding condition is called as storula stage. Then sexual reproduction occurs by oospores and ascospores and basidiospores. Sexual reproduction have three stages. First is plasmogamy, union of protoplasm between two haploid hyphae or gametes. Type of plasmogamy. First is planogametic copulation or gametic fusion. The fusion of male and female gametes takes place where one or both fusing gametes are motile. This results in formation of diploid zygote. Example, allomycetes. It may be of three types: isogamy, anisogamy, or oogamy. Gametangial contact. The two gametangia come in contact where the fertilization tube forms, where male content is transferred to the female content. Example, Pythium albugo. Then gametangial copulation. Here there is direct fusion of entire contents of two gametangia. Example, mucor and rhizopus. Then spermatization. Some fungi produce these minute spores-like structures called as spermatia, which are non-motile and male gametes on spermatophores hyphae. These are transferred to female by different vectors like air, water, wind, etc. Example, Puccinium. Then somatogamy. It takes place in higher true fungi where formation of gametes is aspirant. There is direct fusion of somatic hyphae cells occur to establish dikaryotic. Example, agaricus. Then second is karyogamy. Fusion of two nuclei is called as karyogamy. In some fungi, nuclei fuse immediately to form diploid cell, whereas in some fungi like agaricus, aspergillus, and intermediating dikaryotic phase, which is N+N is found. Such condition is called as gykaryon, and phase is called dikaryo phase. Later they fuse and become diploid in karyogamy. Then meiosis. Fungi forming fruiting bodies in which the reduction division occurs, leading to formation of haploid spores. Fungi is classified into four bases of morphology of mycelium, mode of spore formation, and fruiting bodies. That is Phycomycetes, Oomycetes, Zygomycetes, then Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, and Deuteromycetes. Phycomycetes. First is Oomycetes, the algal fungi. The cell wall is made up of cellulose plus glycans. The mycelium is cenocytic. The sexual reproduction is seen by sporangia, zoospores, then heterocon flagella seen. The sexual reproduction by planogametic fusion or gametangial contact, where oospore is formed. Example, Phytophthora infectus causes late blight potato as well as tomato. It causes great Irish phenomenon. Then Albugo candida, white rust on leaves of stem and crucifers. Pythium debariganum. Example, it causes jumping of disease in seedlings of tomato, chilies, castor, mustard, etc. Then Scleroptera graminicola, downy mildew series in cereals like bajra. Then Peronospora parasitica, downy mildews in pea, mustard, spinach, onion, etc. Sporolegnia causes salmon disease of gills in fishes. Second type is Zygomycetes, the conjugation fungi. Cell wall is made up of chitin or fungal cellule. Mycelium is cenocytic, mostly saprophytic, rarely parasitic. Asexual reproduction by non-motile sporangiospores, born on sporangiophores. Then sexual reproduction by gametangial contact or conjugation, where it forms zygospore and produces new sporangia called germ sporangia, which produce meiospores called germ spores. Sometimes gametangia fail to fuse and become surrounded by a thick wall, forming zygospores. For example, Rhizopus solnifer, black bread mold, which was a soft rot in strawberry, apple, jackfruit, sweet potato. Then Mucor mucido, dung or pin mold, which causes infection in humans. Ramycin, which is antibiotics extracted from the Mucor rhamnosus. Here is the structure of Rhizopus and Mucor. Second type of fungi is Ascomycetes, the sac fungi. Mycelium is septate plus septal pores. Cell wall is made up of chitin. Then sexual reproduction by conidia, example Penicillium aspergillus. Then female sex organs in Ascogonium. Plasmogamy by gametangial contact, conjugation, spermatization, somatogamy and autogamy. Then Plasmodium undergoes dikaryotic phase and karyogamy. Ascus is 4 to 8 haploid. Ascus forms 4 to 8 haploid meiospores, which is ascospores, which may be two types: linearly alleged like neurospora or anodous like yeast. Asci may occur freely and or get arranged into specific fructification called ascocarps, absent in yeast. Example morels, example Morchella esculenta, Morchella delicosa, truffles, tuber aestivium, which are edible ascocarps. Then Kelviceps purpurea, example Kelviceps microcephala, ergot of ray in bajra causes ergotism, abortion of fetus. Then Neurospora, pink mold, excessively used in biochemical and genetic work, also called as Dorsifera of plant kingdom. Then Eripsia powdery mildew, example Eripsia graminicola penicillium, which is antibiotic produce Penicillium notatum. Aspergillus, weed of laboratory, poisonous due to alpha toxins. Gibberellins, first saw in rice plant. Then brewing industries like Saccharomyces cerevisiae, beer or baker's yeast, and Saccharomyces ellipsodens, example is wine yeast. Here you can see the structure of Aspergillus. Now let us discuss about third type of fungi, that is Basidiomycetes or club fungi. Most advanced commonly seen fungi, example mushroom, puffball, toadstool, bucket fungi, etc. Ganoderma species can even decompose the standing trees. Motile structures or cells are absent. Mycelia is of two types: primary mycelia, short-lived, multiplied by oidia, conidia. Then secondary mycelium, long-lived, consists profusely branched septate and hyphae. Handle-like outgrowths on the side of septa are called as clamp connections. Secondary mycelium or dikaryotic phase multiply by chlamydospores and acidiospores, uterospores or telidiospores. Then sexual reproduction by fusion between basidiospores and other monokaryotic spores, or between spore or spermatium and hyphae, or between two hyphal cells like penicillium, mycelium, etc. Then karyogamy and meiosis occurs in club shape. So structure called as basidia. Basidium produces 4 meiospores or basidiospores exogenously by conidious spores. Some examples: first is smut fungi. It is of two types: covered and loose. Covered is Ustilago norcili, barley, example. Then Ustilago maidis, corn. Then loose fungi, loose smut, Ustilago nordriculi, wheat, and Ustilago avenia, oat. Then mushroom, edible and non-edible umbrella like basidiocarps, example Agaricus camprestis, Agaricus bisporus, Volvaria volvicea. Then Pyrolatus austrius, etc. Then toadstools, poisonous mushrooms, for example Amanita casearia, Amanita phylloides, then Musaria, then Gymnomitra esculenta, etc. Then rust, Pusinia graminestrifici, the black rust of wheat. Then Pusinia graminerum or striformis, yellow rust of wheat. Then Pusinia recondita, brown rust of wheat. Pusinia completes life cycle on two hosts. Primary host is wheat and secondary host is barberry. Then hallucination. Psychobella mexicana has hallucinating properties which are similar to LSD, which are used by Mexican Indians in a ritual. Then Armillaria, which is largest fungi, Armillaria mellae, wood parasite. Then puffballs, Lycopteridon oblongisporum and Lycopteridum giganteum, etc. Bracket fungi, shell fungi known as shell fungi, foam sepaltus, polyporous subalinus, then Glamoderma, etc. Then predator fungi like Dactylava, Arthroboetis. Then sting fungi, Phallus impudicus, it is known as dead man's finger, where sting powder is released to attract insects for spore dispersion. Here you can see structure of Agaricus, which is edible mushroom. Then the fourth type of fungi is Deuteromycetes, also known as fungi infectae. The sexual reproduction by conidiospore, mycelium is septate and branched. Some may be sporophytic or parasitic, but majority of them are decomposers of litter. For example, leaf spot of rite is caused by Helminthosporum oryzae. Bengal famine caused due to this, 1942 to 1943. Then early bite of potato, caused by Alternaria, which shows target board syndrome. Zika disease, dark spot formed due to Cerospora personata. Then wilts, Phasarum, especially Physarum oxysporum and Physarum udum, the blockage of tracheal elements due to growth of fungi in them. Then ringworm of foot or athlete's foot, Trichodermon interdigitate. Now let us discuss about common fungicides. Bordiox mixture, which is holy water of plant pathology, are given by RMA Miller-Det, which is composition of CuSO4 is to CaOH2 then plus H2O. Then Burgundy mixture given by mass, CuSO4 plus Na2CO3 plus H2O. Then chestnut mixture, which is ammonium carbonate plus copper sulfate. Now let us discuss about mycorrhiza or fungal roots. Mutual association of fungi plus higher plants like gymnosperms and angiosperm is known as mycorrhiza. Benefits to fungi due to association: nourishment from root cortical cells and shelter. Then benefits to plant: increase the surface area and enhancement of H2O and sulfur, oxygen, phosphorus, etc. Mycorrhizal show woolly covering and lack root cap and root hair. Mycorrhiza have two types: ectomycorrhiza and endomycorrhiza. Ectomycorrhiza external forms woolly covering hearting net. Then fungal partner is commonly Basidiomycetes like Boletus, seen in pinus roots. Then endomycorrhiza, internal tissue root. They may send hyphae to cortical cells called vascular abscopal mycorrhiza, seen in orchid roots. Here is the structure of ectomycorrhiza of pinus. Now let us discuss about virus. Here exception of cell theory, study of virus is known as virology. Virus is like a link between the living and non-living objects. Then there are obligately intracellular parasites. Non-living features of virus: lacking of protoplasm, get catalyzed like example TMV. Then polymycetes virus, inability to live without living cell. Then have high specific gravity, absence of respiration and energy storing system. Then absence of growth and division. Then living nature of virus: forms organic macromolecules, presence of genetic material, availability to multiply, occurrence of mutations, occurrence of enzymes like neuromidase and transcriptase and lysosomes, for example, etc. Then infectivity and host specificity: they can be killed by autoclaving and UV rays. Now discovery of virus. The term virus was given by Pasteur. D.J. Iwansky recognized the microbes of mosaic disease of tobacco, which can pass through the bacterial proof filters. Then M.V. Benjernik showed that extract of infected plant of tobacco causes infection in healthy plants called Contagium virum fluidum, which is infectious living fluid. M.V. Stanley crystallized TMV for the first time. Then inert viruses are called as virion. Now let us discuss about structure components of viruses. First is envelope. It is made up of protein, lipid and carbohydrate. Example, HIV helps have envelope. Then capsid, the outer protein coat made up of small unit called capsomeres. Then nucleotide, it may be DNA or RNA. DNA containing are called deoxyvirus, dsDNA like pox virus, cauliflower mosaic virus, herpes virus, etc. Then single stranded DNA, cauliflage cauliflage 5 into 174, then M13 phage, etc. Then RNA containing virus are called as ribovirus, like double stranded RNA, reoviruses, wound tumor viruses, etc. Then single stranded RNA, TMV, influenza, foot and mouth disease, HIV, etc. Three groups of viruses. First is phytophagea or plant viruses, which contains ssRNA. Then zoophagea or animal viruses, which may be single stranded or double stranded RNA or double stranded DNA. Bacteriophage or bacteria viruses, dsDNA. Now let us discuss about structure of some viruses. First is tobacco mosaic virus, TMV, which has elongated lawn like 3000 angstrom long and 180 angstrom in diameter with 39.4 into 10 to the power of 6 Dalton weight. Then there are 2130 capsomere arranged helically to form a capsid, and ssRNA consists of 6400 nucleotides. The ratio of both nucleotides is to capsomere equal to 3:1. Here you can see the structure of tobacco mosaic virus. Then let us move on to bacteriophage, which is DFCNA. T4 bacteriophage have tadpole-like structure with a polyhedral head connected to the helical tail. Head is covered by the capsule. Here is the structure of T4 bacteriophage. Then let us move on to reproduction. It is of two types, phagic and pinocytic. In phagic, we have lytic cycle and lysogenic cycle. First, phagic, only nucleic acid enters the host cell. It may be of lytic cycle. Lytic cycle, it occurs in viral and phage like T4 bacteriophage. Then lysogenic cycle occurs in temperate viruses such as alpha phage. Then pinocytic reproduction, found in viruses like TMV, HIV, hepatitis B, etc., in which the whole body of virus particle enters the host cell except the envelope if present. Now let us discuss disease caused by virus. Disease in man. Name of disease caused by influenza, influenza virus, smallpox, variola virus, mumps, paramyxovirus, AIDS, retrovirus, polymyositis, poliovirus, German measles, rubella virus, measles virus. Now disease in plants. Name of disease and caused by tobacco mosaic virus, TMV, cucumber mosaic virus. Then potato leaf roll virus, bunchy top of banana bunchy top virus. Then subviral agents. First is viroids, discovered by Daniel. Infectious particle without protein coat, obligate parasite. Molecular weight is low, and RNA is tightly folded to form a circular or linear structure. For example, potato spindle disease, PSTD, Chrysanthemum stanton, Citrus exotis, which these viroids do not cause any infection in man or animals. Then virusoids, discovered by Randall, RNA virus, but inside capsule they replicate within host and do not cause any infection. Then prions, these are discovered by Alper. They are similar to virus and cause Kuru disease, laughing death disease in human. Then bovine spongiform echinocephalopathy in cattle, that is BSC or mad cow disease. Then scrape disease in sheep, Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease in humans. Now let us discuss about lichens. They are dual or composite organism, contain permanent association of fungal partner or mycobiont and algal partner or phycobiont. Mycobiont fungi is dominant partner, consists of mainly Ascomycetes or Basidiomycetes. Phycobiont is algal partner, mostly consists of Cychlorophyceae or blue-green algae. Then lichens term was coined by Theophrastus, father of botany. Lichens grew on barren rocks known as saxaticolous. Then leaves and soil grown as in soil they are known as terricolous. In wood, lignicolous. Tree bark, corticolous. Lichens cannot tolerate air pollution, especially due to sulfur dioxide. Lichens are perennial, found in different coloration. Algal partner is about 5% of IPA and other 95% is of fungi. Reproduction of lichens are by progressive death and decay, results in division and growth of lichen thallus. Then fragmentation. Isidia are outgrowths of lichens for surface area and absorption, but after they grow and divide, they form into new lichen body. Then Soredia is most efficient means of asexual reproduction in lichens. Now let us discuss based on structure. Lichens are of three types. First is crustose, crush-like, closely pressed to the substratum and attached to it at several places. For example, Graphis, Lachinora, Rhizocarpon. Then foliose, the body of lichen is flat, broad, lobed and leaf-like, which is attached with the help of rhizines. Example, Parmelia paltigera. Then fruticose, branch like a bush and attached to the substrated by disc. Example, Cladonia, Eusenia, Evernia, Bryonia. Special structures in thallus of lichen. First is siphonellae, which helps in gaseous extent, present in lower cortex. Then cephalodia, which helps in retain moisture and its algal partner fix N2. Breathing pores for aeration, present in upper cortex of thallus. Now economic importance of lichens. Lichens, early pioneers or colonizers of barren rocks. They pave way for moss growth. Then food. Lacodonia rangifera, reindeer mosses. Then Certaria is Icelandica, Iceland mosses. Then Lacanora esculenta, bread of heaven by Zeus. Parmelia, rock flower, table delicacy. Dermatocarpon miniatum, which is stone mushroom, vegetable in Japan. Dyes like orchid are obtained from Rosella tinctiora. Then Rosella montagini gives rise to lichens. which is pH indicated. Then perfumes like Ramalina and Evernia. Medicines are found from Usania. From Usania we can obtain usinic acid, which is old man's bread. Then Cladonia, used in preparing ointment for burns and wounds. SO2 pollution, these are high lichens are highly sensitive to SO2, so they do not grow in SO2 polluted areas. Then fires, in hot summer Usania may catch forest fire. So today we have completed the lesson biological classification. Thank you.